2. But it is very difficult, huh? Anyway, there is what? Huh? There is a
Q.
cube like this.
Yes.
You just concentrate here. This is a cube, right?
Surmounted by
I know that. What is the height of sides of cube?
28.
Sides of cube are,
28 centimeters.
this is a cube, there is a, this is a cube of side, how much?
28 centimeters.
28 centimeter, right? So again the same thing, there is a cylinder now, huh?
Yes.
The cylinder of greatest diameter is equal to side of the cube, right? Side of the cube like this. This is and this is, right? So this is a cylinder, right?
Of height 28 centimeters.
This is, wait, this is, so you know, this is 28 centimeter, this is 28 centimeter, right? 3 dimensional for eyes यूज करेंगे तो हम ये देखेंगे, ठीक है? एंड डायमेंशंस आर नॉट इन स्केल. क्या dimensions are not on scale, right? So this is, so it is 28. You are saying this is
28.
centimeter ना?
Yes.
Check कर लेना.
Yes, sir.
28 centimeter. So 28, so it means radius is 14, 14, 14, 14 and 14. This is 14, so this is 14 and this height is
28.
28 centimeter. Now, what do you want? What is given you?
1 cubic centimeter glass costs
1 cubic centimeter, 1 cubic centimeter glass
is equal to
cost is equal to rupees
0.75
0.75
rupees.
rupees 0.75, right? So now it means total volume of glass block is equal to, this is a cube, right? No,
6
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, वॉल्यूम है ना, तो a क्यूब प्लस pi r square h. We are not going to find the surface area. Surface area होता then we have to subtract, right? We use 5 sides and one side a square minus pi r square and then 2 pi r h. But here it is asking volume. So a cube into pi r square h. So a is 28 whole cube plus 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 into 28. Now it is 4, right? And what is the cube of 28? I do not know. So cube of 28, 28 into 28 into 28. It is 21,952, right? Plus
88 into 196.
88 into
196.
196 centimeter cube. So it is how much? 88 into 196, 17,248. How much you get? 21,952 plus 17,248 centimeter cube, right? So how much you will get? 21,952. 39,200. 39,200
Centimeter.
centimeter cube. This is the volume of glass block, right? So we get cost is equal to cost of glass block is equal to rate into volume. So it is 0.75 into 39,200 centimeter cube, right, into 0.75. It is 29,400. So cost is rupees
29,400.
so cost is rupees 29,400, huh? 29,400. This is the total cost of block. 29,400, right? This was the question. So now second we have done, huh? Okay then.